in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got lips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in the media, bro. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my eyes.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from UNicehair. Today's unit goes by the name of Honey Blonde Highlight Lace Wig Human Hair Body Wave Colored Wig. The cap construction for this unit is your standard cap construction with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, the other 2 are at the front with 1 on each side. It also comes with adjustable straps and a security band that you can remove and or adjust if you choose to do so. The lace on this unit is a 13x4, but they do also offer this unit in a 13x5 by 0.5, which is basically a T-part unit if I'm thinking correctly. And then they also offer it in a 4x4, which is your standard closure. This unit comes in the length of 14 inches all the way down to 28 inches, but I received the 24 inch. According to the website, this unit is said to be 150% density, and in comparison to the other UNice units that I own, I would say that she's 150% density. According to the website, the cap sizing for this unit says to be 54 to 58 centimeters, meaning it's around 21 to 22 inches in circumference. Now, I always get nervous whenever I see that, but with UNice's wigs, they tend to fit me, meaning I feel like it's going to be big head friendly. Lastly, on the website, it also says that this unit comes with slightly bleached knots, pre-plucked, natural hairline, glueless, and the baby hairs are around the perimeter. Based off of the unit that I received, everything looks to be true that is said. I mean, the glueless part, I'm pretty sure that's either for the 4x4 or the 13x5 by 0.5 units, because I wouldn't wear a 13x4 unit glueless, but that's just me. But I think that's enough of me talking. That's all of the product details and specs that I want to go over. Let me go ahead and install this unit, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts.
Damn right we take turns being wrong. I get real accountable when I'm alone. I get real about it all when I'm alone. It's so crazy missing you when I get on. Now Julio make me Fulvio, and I might hit your phone up with that ba-ba-ba. This is my da-da-da, this is that ah. All of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and no shit. You a damn dog, you toxic. All the sex on replay, running back to the DJ. Keeping on your face while you eat that. Trying to make a bad bitch behave. I was just waiting for you, but still wait for you. Thinking I would wait for you. And that damn time, Julio made me for you. And I might hit your phone up, da ba ba ba. This is my da da da, this is that ah. And all of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and no shit. You a damn dog, you toxic.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from UNicehair. I knew I was gonna like this unit because if I'm thinking correctly, I actually have this unit but only in a shorter version. If I'm thinking correctly, it came in a 12-inch bob, but then I cut it even shorter. I'll pop up a picture of it right here. The unit to me is beautiful whether it's shorter or in a longer state. The coloring of this unit is done very beautifully. Now, the base of it does come really close to my skin tone, but what I think helps it out are the blonde streaks / highlights that are put throughout the unit. Those blonde highlights create some type of dimension throughout the unit, which then makes the unit pop and like look really good against my skin tone, in my opinion. So far, I'm not receiving any tangling within the unit, but I will say that I am receiving a little bit of shedding here and there, but it's nothing major. The lace on this unit has melted beautifully, but of course that's expected when it comes to UNicehair. I will say that I do believe that the unit is big head friendly because she's sitting on my head pretty nicely, and I do have a little bit of extra room in the back. One thing I do want to mention though is that when it comes to my sideburns, right here you can see the lace. Now if I wanted to, I could just pull out some of the hair and create a new sideburn, if you will, but I don't know, I'm slightly okay with it like this. I mentioned this only because if you are someone who has longer sideburns like myself, that might be an issue for you, but then again it might not. I didn't mention this earlier in the video, but I did curl this unit last night, and unfortunately I didn't use any hairspray after I curled, which I don't understand why because I always use hairspray. So But yeah, I didn't use any hairspray, so therefore the curls are already starting to fall. Besides hairspray, I think another really great way to maintain curls is to cut layers within a unit. I feel like whenever layers are added to a unit, of course it gives the appearance of a fuller unit, or at least in my opinion it does, but then also it gives more dimension to the unit, so therefore everything isn't looking like one length and weighing down. I hope that makes sense. This hair is really pretty and it's really soft as well. I don't know, I've been noticing lately that with my human hair units, I keep saying that they're really soft, but I have also been using a new shampoo. Well, it's new to me. The Tresemme, I want to say it's the Tresemme Moisture. I don't know, I feel like that's making my units even softer. I know that was really random about the shampoo and conditioner, but I don't know, I guess I just needed to let you guys know. But yeah, I don't really have a whole lot to say about this unit. She's a cutie in my eyes, and I know that I'm going to be wearing her this spring and this summer. I can see myself wearing her with some neutral outfits, some cream outfits, black outfits, oh, maybe even some like oranges. I don't really have orange in my closet, but maybe I need to get some orange clothes. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have a direct link to this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.